Hi!
Oh, I thought you were talking to him.
Hello, sir.
Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Laurence.
And I'm Natalie.
And this week, we are in a state that we have never been to before.
Not emotionally.
Emotionally. We're in a US state that we have never been to before.
Yeah.
And I had no expectations. Like,
No.
I don't know anything about this state.
Yeah, true.
And honestly, so far, I'm massively impressed.
It's the same state as what we were in England. That's the only thing I know about it.
Yes. So when we lived in England, we lived in the same state.
This
almost.
is just a newer version.
It's just a newer version of that. All right, let's roll the intro because we've got some cool stuff planned. It's cost us a fortune, this video, to do this, but
Gotta do it.
it's going to be cool. So let's roll the intro and then we'll get going.
It makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder.
Right, we have a personal tour guide today because we're at the Flume Gorge.
She sucks too.
And Andrea is our tour guide. But you know all this off the top of your head, don't you?
What do you say sometimes?
Off the top of your head.
Off the top of your head.
Definitely not reading it.
Okay, off the top of my head, this is a boulder. A big rock. What is it? It's a mighty nice boulder.
It's a glacial boulder.
25,000 years ago, a great ice sheet more than a mile thick moved through this area.
Whoa. Off the top of your head?
That's true. Even reading it.
That's true. Okay. All right, this isn't what we're here for. Yeah, this isn't what we're here for. We're going to carry on going. Stick with us.
Yesterday was there.
Yeah. I need you guys to get your lips ready because this is the kissing bridge, and I need some action.
Hurt herself, right?
This is not the lady who killed herself. no.
Andrea, I never thought you'd say this to me. Your husband is right here.
Right here. I'm
He's right here.
Warm it up with her.
I mean, I'm in. I'm not saying no, but
And I never really know what's going to happen.
I didn't mention, but we're actually in New Hampshire, and we love it. We've been here a week. I've only left the rig twice. I've been working, but yeah, we love New Hampshire so far. Just driving around this morning was fantastic. So what did you say this was? Table Rock?
Table Rock.
This is the weirdest. This totally looks man-made. Or at least the water looks like it's being pumped up there.
Natalie's going to demonstrate sliding down.
She's going to slide down. Yeah, it looks quite comfortable.
Swimming, it's nice.
I just filmed in case you fell in.
I know, that would have been so good.
So Natalie, just off the top of my head, I'm thinking that nearly 200 million years ago, during the Jurassic period, the Conway granite that forms the walls of the Flume Gorge was deeply buried molten rock.
Oh, fascinating.
Yeah, it's
These
weird.
things you just know.
And just off the top of my head, I think as it cooled, the granite was broken by closely spaced vertical fractures which lay nearly parallel in a northeasterly direction.
Wow.
Interesting, huh?
Fascinating facts.
It looks very cool though, doesn't it?
It's very
feel like
Jurassic.
we're
Now
in-
you've said the word Jurassic, that
it
explains
is.
this.
Yeah, we're on the island that Jurassic Park was filmed.
Yep.
I didn't know they filmed that in New Hampshire. Very weird. One thing I would say though, it is very busy here and you have to buy tickets. We bought them online beforehand, so we got to skip the queue, but you can buy tickets here. I think they're like 18 bucks a person if you buy online, but it's really busy. This would be lovely if there was no one around, but still very, very cool. How did they build this walkway?
Right.
It's just water below us. So they must have built this walkway on the side somehow. I wish I knew how. We're holding up the line now because we're so fascinated by this. Natalie booked this. I didn't even know where we were going 2 hours ago. This is awesome. Really cool. The rocks are just sheer rock faces where it's either split apart or they say the glacier came through here and cut a groove. Natalie's TikToking, as usual. Doing a bit of TikToking.
Yeah. For no one to watch.
So no surprises here that it's not wheelchair accessible. There are steps, they're not too bad, so if you take it easy, anyone can pretty much do this. I have no idea how long this is though. Like I said, Natalie booked this. It's really, really cool though. You're walking through the middle of a canyon, there's boardwalks and everything, so it's not muddy. Can be slippy, but it's fascinating. This was a good choice, Natalie, well done. Hey, tour guide, what is Bear Cave?
Well, you can go all the way through it, like
Really?
a bear would, but I'm not. Yeah, you can go all the way through that. I've seen other videos.
So what is it though? Just a bear cave?
Yeah, where a bear would hide in the winter.
Oh, okay.
Maybe where a bear would hide. Your tour guide stands corrected. It's the wolf den that you can crawl through. This one is just a photo shoot. It's
just a
little selfie area.
To be honest, if I was lost here like millions of years ago, when humans didn't exist, but if I was lost here, I would make a house out of that.
This used to be, the Neanderthal.
Absolutely.
Caveman days. Caveman.
Caveman days, you could have a little fire out here. I would have. Yeah, I would. You could just lick the rocks for your minerals and stuff. I watch the survival stuff.
Naked and afraid?
Yeah. I'm always afraid when I'm naked, so is everyone else. Okay, we're going into the bear cave. We're in the bear cave.
Ready? I love it.
There's not a camera in my pocket.
Mountain are we on now, tour guide?
Who took the before the Ice Age picture? That's what I want to know. Who submitted the before Ice Age picture?
Who was here?
Who was here in the Ice Age?
Payton, was it you?
Peyton's been around a while.
Always, yeah. So out west, you know, when we went on all these tours, when they always say it was made or formed 200, 240, 260 million years ago.
He wants proof.
That is, what?
Yeah.
Scientists, babe, scientists.
How do you know? How do you know? We just believe it. We just blindly.
We just, yeah, it's true.
Just a crap ton of people, not wolf.
Where are we?
The wolf cave.
Right, this is the one we can walk through, right?
Yes, let's let them out because they've been waiting a little while.
They've been stood there for a while.
I thought you said they went all the way through. Well, everyone's coming back.
You not went all the way through.
They may not want to climb.
Well, I do get very claustrophobic.
Arrow, and yes, I'm claustrophobic. I'm not.
No, I'm
Are
not.
we going? Right, apparently you can go all the way through this cave, so are we?
It's in.
We'll see. Let's assess the situation.
Alright, I don't remember the video, but apparently Todd and Sheila from Switch It Up have been through here. Or Sheila went through.
Sheila, Todd chickened out.
Todd chickened out?
I think he chickened out.
Todd, if you're watching this, chicken out, come on.
I'm claustrophobic. I'm not going through there.
You're not even there yet. Oh, she's bailing. She's really bailing.
I'm not.
Yeah, I see people crawling through a really tight. No.
Hands and knees.
No. Yeah, I know what I'm going to do.
Come on, Natalie, we got this.
Absolutely not. No. I'm not doing
And
it.
it's two ways, so you have to wait for there's no exit the other way. So whoever goes this way, they also have to come
This is how horror films start. No.
You're not doing
Good
it.
luck. Good luck. Bye
Where are you going? Why is everybody bailing on us?
Peyton, are you coming?
I'm going. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Do this.
Let me
There's my guy.
get my light out for you.
Come on, bud, you got it. You're almost there. Go help him with his foot. There you go.
No, the finish line's like right there.
Oh, man.
It's not that bad.
low down.
Is he right there?
Just gotta make this rock.
I didn't realise, but I had my sunglasses on. That's why I couldn't see anything.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know what you think.
How
I know you can't see me, but I got to stop videoing now because I got crawled through here.
We're getting ready to cross through.
Okay. All right.
Oh, get through there!
I'm too fat for this.
Oh, you're doing it, man! Oh. Yeah, there you go. Alright, had to put the equipment down. You got it, buddy. Whoa! Yeah, Payton, push him up. Push him, Payton, push him!
That's small. That's like big, eh?
We don't have any slippery stuff to help you. You can dance on. Oh my gosh, you did it.
All right.
Oh, hi Payton. Go, boss. You can do it. You can do it. His backpack is... yeah, why do you take backpack off? You might have to take your backpack off, babe. It's holding you down. You got it, boss.
Okay.
Don't drop your bag. Whew, okay. Oh yeah, you fit fine. Good job, man. You guys are so great. Woohoo!
He made that look way easier than I did.
I was being somewhat pushed.
Hello.
That was fun.
So that was amazing. So I'm not really sure whether we said where we were or not, but this is Flume Gorge.
Yep.
In
Lincoln, New Hampshire.
Lincoln, New Hampshire. And we said at the beginning of this video, actually we said two things. First one is we love New Hampshire, and we absolutely do. Just driving around is fantastic. It's so much more than I ever thought it was. The other thing is we said at the beginning of this was going to be an expensive day.
Yeah.
Flume Gorge isn't that expensive.
No?
I mean, it's more expensive than I thought. I can't remember what it was.
18, I think.
18 a person.
Yeah.
Or something. So, but it was amazing. It was a really cool, if you like hiking and stuff, it was really good. We went on Saturday, very busy.
Yeah.
The reason why we said it's going to be expensive is because we're going somewhere else now. But this video is way too long, so I think I'm just going to cut it to next week.
Part 2.
Part 2. Part 2 of New Hampshire. We love it that much.
Do the things, Laurence.
Do all the things. First of all, I want to thank Andrea and Payton.
I think it was their suggestion to even come here, so thank you.
It was, yeah, really cool. So thank you to those guys and for hanging out. They're amazing people. Go check out their channel to be determined. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, hit thanks, because Natalie loves it when you do that. Share it if you think someone might enjoy this. And then if you would like to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, you can hit the join button.
Oh, you're getting rusty. It's getting
I'm
rusty.
tired. I've been climbing through cliffs and everything.
Well, we will see you then.
You didn't know, did you?
What?
Climb through the cliff. It was quite claustrophobic, especially for fatties like that. All right, we will see you next week.